Hi, in this video I will show how the built-in discussion forum works. So the built-in discussion forum we call the wall is found in a group. So you can click a group open, and after that you can see the wall feature up here. So this is an example of how the wall looks when it's not activated yet. So let's click the wall. So this page shows that it's not activated yet. You can enable the wall, and after that you could start creating content, meaning categories, posts and comments into that wall. But if you already have created a wall to another group, you can copy it to a new one. So then you can copy all the categories, posts and comments if you want to the new one. So it makes your work easier when you can copy like a template of another wall. So you can choose the group, and then you can copy all those that mark with a star. And after copying, you can see the copied wall here and start editing the wall freely. Then we can jump to another group that already has content, so you can better see how it looks. So this is the wall, and here you can see categories. So the first thing when you activate the wall, you would start creating categories. And you can add as many categories as you want. So click this, add new, give it a name, write instructions, content, so like a description of the category. Then you can add files, as many as you want. So you can add like a main picture or video that's visible above the category's name from the client's point of view, or take content from the media library. And you can add as many categories as you want, name them freely, and then you can change the order if you want. So the categories are visible in the order you see here, from the client's point of view, I mean. And after you have created the categories, then you can start adding content into the categories, meaning posts. So if I click this, I can create a new post, write a title, write content with hyperlinks if needed, and again, I can add whatever files I want into the post. And when the post is created, your clients will see it in the client app, in the wall feature, and if they have chosen to follow this category, they will get a notification, like a push notification, that a new post has been written in the category. So it works the same from the coaches and the client's point of view. So you can choose where you want to receive these notifications. So here you can see the bell symbol. So these two first categories are turned on, meaning that you will receive a notification every time someone writes a new post to these categories. But this is turned off, meaning that you will not receive notifications about new posts. Then you can also choose of which comments you want to receive notifications. So you can click this star on in a post, and after that you will receive a notification every time someone writes a new comment for that post. So with this you can choose notifications from a new post to a category, and with this you will be notified of a new comment that has been written to this post. Then I can click the post open. I can edit the post, of course. I can lock it, meaning that only you, the coach, can add new comments to the post. You can pin and unpin a post, meaning that it will like remain on top from the client's point of view. So right now I just unpinned the post, so the pin mark was hidden. So if I click this pin in top, you will see this symbol, and that means that this post is always at the top from the client's point of view, and also from yours. So you can unpin it and lock it from here, or delete completely if needed. Then when you have created a post, and if it's not locked, your clients can write comments, so you can read them here. You can like them, you can reply to the comments directly, you can create a new comment. So it's easy to view and manage all the comments that has been written here. And you, the coach, can also edit. So you can be like a moderator. So you can edit comments or delete them completely if needed. So you would add categories, then you're gonna add posts, and then start following the communications. So you can add as many comments, posts as you want to the categories, and you will receive notifications of the things you have informed the platform to send you notifications about. Then when you have, for example, tagged this, so I want to receive notifications, as you can see here, these are 2 notifications. This is one example. So this is unhandled, meaning that you have to set as handled before it's deactivated. So you can read these unhandled posts and comments directly from the wall, or you can just go up here and look the wall's feed directly from the message manager. So this makes your work a lot easier, because on the wall page you can see every group's wall's content that has been directed to you. So all the posts and comments that you should take notice of. So you can click these open, you can add a comment, you can set them as handled. So you can see like all the messages and posts and comments in one page. You don't have to jump from one group to another to look at all of them. So then when you have created this content, you can lock. So you can also lock at like an entire post or a category. So if I click this, I can lock the entire category, meaning that after that, only the coach can create new content, new posts and comments into that category. So you can, for example, add categories that are more like informational purposes. So you create content there for your clients to see, like valuable information, and then you can lock them. So they remain like informational, so people don't start adding their own posts and comments there. And then you can add categories that are not locked and allow your clients to create the content, like a general discussion where they can build like a community. They can chat with each other. But you can use it as you wish. So you can lock them or keep them open and let everyone join and participate in the communications and creating the information. So that's about it. So you activate the wall, you can like build it from scratch, or you can copy old as a template. Then you're going to add categories, choose if you want to receive notifications. You can lock a category or a post with these functions here I showed you. You can pin a post so it remains at the top. Then you can write comments, you can browse the comments, you can edit them if you want, edit and delete them completely. So it helps you manage your clients and build a community with the group. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye.